Want to launch your camera even faster on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Here's a quick trick using just the side button. Let me show you how to set the double press of the side button to open the camera instantly. First, head into Setting, swipe down from the top right corner to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features, tap side button, tap double press, turn it on if it's not already, select camera, tap the settings icon next to it, and then select open camera. And that's it. Now whenever you double press the side button, your camera will pop open. Given to the function, this feature is perfect for capturing quick moments without unlocking your phone or hunting for the app icon. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.